good, Al. I'm starting the camera. Starting the camera. How much?
10 seconds to go. 4.
Okay, there's pitch over.
64, we have pitch over, yes, sir.
There's throw.
Roger, Al.
And there it is.
Right on the money.
Right on the money.
What's the LCD, babe?
LPD, 41.
Okay. Back. That is just
41.
beautiful.
Right out the window, just like the picture. Great.
Terrace Houston, you're go for landing.
Here we go.
Thank you, sir.
3,000. Okay, you're out of 3,000 now. 75 feet a second.
Okay, that LCD is real good.
Houston, I'm on aft.
Roger, Ed.
Okay, 2,000. 48 feet.
One
Coming
click
down a
left.
little fast.
One click left.
2,050 feet a second. A little bit fast, but not bad.
Okay. Outstanding.
Okay, 1,500. Little fast, not bad. Holding in well. LPD's 40, Al.
Okay.
Coming through 1,000 feet. 27 feet, right on schedule. Right on schedule now. Went by Cone Crater, right outside to my right.
Okay, the best spot is a little south of track, about halfway between Triplet and Douglas. A little south of track.
Okay,
About 60 meters.
and
That's
it
where
looks
we're
good
going.
from here. Looks good from here. Okay, Al, you're through 550 feet.
Okay.
16 feet per second, 500 feet, 15 feet per second. It looks good. Your fuel is good at 10%.
Okay, let's take it over and move up a
Okay,
little.
yeah, I think so. You're through 320
On a hat
feet.
hole.
Okay. Okay, I'd give it a few clicks. You're through 200 feet.
No
5
level.
feet per second. That looks good.
No level here.
9% fuel looks great. Okay, looks like you're going right over the middle of Triplet. You're 170 feet out, 2 feet per second down, 8% fuel. You're looking good.
Hey, babe.
Okay, 170 feet and holding. About 1 foot per second down. Want to speed it up a little bit.
Okay, I'm going to move forward.
Okay. Okay, then. 7% fuel. Okay, you're still at 170 feet indicated.
Starting down.
Okay, you can move on forward. You're just barely crossing North Triplet. Barely crossing North Triplet. 6% fuel, okay. 150 feet. There's decent quantity light.
Okay.
Low level.
All right.
If you could land over here, there's some dust, Al. 110 feet. 3 feet per second down. You're looking great.
Stop
Great.
it, Ruby.
6%. There's good dust. You're on your own. It's
Starting
looking
down.
good.
Starting down.
Okay. It says 90 feet. 4 feet per second. 5 feet per second down.
Okay.
Down. Looking great.
60 seconds.
We're in good shape.
Okay, 50 feet down. 50 feet.
We're in good shape, too.
3 feet per second. 40 feet. 3 feet per second. 30. 3 feet per second. Looking great. 20 feet. 10. 3 feet per second. Contact now.
New stop.
Great.
Pro. Auto.
We're on the surface.
Okay, we made a good landing.
Roger, and Terrace.
413 plus 10,000. That was a beautiful one.
Yeah, we're slightly off. We landed the slope, but other than that, we're in great shape.
Yep.
We're right on the landing site.
Okay, give me a mark, Al, when you start using film.
I just started using film now.
Roger, you on 24?
12.
Roger, 12.
Okay, let me close
close the hatch. But not too far. Tell me when I hit the bottom step. In the bottom step. I'm on it. Yep. Oh, okay. Look at this, the LR cubed. Yes? Okay.
Give me a mark.
Mark, it's running.
Roger out.
How's this, Bruce? Look okay?
Roger, that's a good sight.
Okay. Goes in very easily. It does indeed.
You know, you're going off camera to the right. Okay, that's good.
Okay. Take a picture this way and then we'll swing it around so they can see it on the television. All right.
Okay, we can see it.
Little scan here. Okay. There we go. I think I'm still too close to you. Except for the limb leg. Yep. Okay. And when you finish, you can flop it around so they can see a little better in the...
Okay, and which magazine are you using? On the Hasselblad?
Indianapolis, Indiana.
Roger, Indianapolis, Indiana, but that was my line.
TV cable out. What's your TV cable? Thank you. Yes, man, cable both. Got them both. Back up. Try it again. Okay, you're clear. Okay. Ready? Ready? Okay, got it.
What's the final exposure number?
Give me a good orientation for the flag.
Okay, Ed, if you just turn it broadside,
25.
just turn it broadside to the TV camera with the field to the TV camera right, that is 180 out from that, it'd be better.
Okay, there you go. You get 2.5 on the mag.
Copy, Al. Okay, that's good on the flag.
Okay, Houston. Okay, 16. Nope. Okay. 16 is off. Bruce.
Roger, stop.
15.
Okay, the abort stage is set. Gas and engine is armed. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. This will be indication. What a liftoff. And liftoff.
Roger, ignition.
Boom. Switch over. 10 seconds.
The guidance,
Roger.
the onboard guidance has now taken over
baby.
control.
Switch over is good.
We confirm auto ignition.
That's affirmative. Auto ignition.
And they're now tilting over at an angle, speeding up very quickly now.
Good. Here we're going across Cat's Paw.
Watch the ball. Steering looks good, Houston.
Roger, you're looking good from down here,
Coming
Al.
up on 1 minute.
L.
2, 1. Mark 1.
Mark 1. Still good low and slow, but
Vital says we look good, all sources.
623.
okay? Take the legs together.
Okay, yours complete, Houston.
Roger.
At this point, in effect, they're on their backs, aren't they? They're no longer
Take a look
vertical
at the
relative
target
to the
again.
moon.
542, 931, 3. Targeting is still good.
This is when they really need
Okay.
confidence in that computer.
And we did have that spurious abort signal during the landing phase, don't forget.
Mark
Which,
2.
Trajectory looks good. We're at 12,000 feet.
3, 2, 1. Mark 2.
they've been rising now for 2 minutes, another 5 and a bit to go.
H touch right on. H is right on. Take the legs together.
Okay, steering is good. Things look good, Houston.
It's quite a
We
lift,
copy, Al, and your go from down here.
going up at the rate of a mile a minute on average.
Velocity 1100, altitude 1600, 16,000.
At 700 miles an hour.
And from that standing start, they've got to get up to 40,000 miles an hour to go into orbit.
Of course, the interesting thing is they can't see
Coming up
what
on
they're aiming
22,000
at.
feet, the steerable antenna tracking very well.
Okay, steering is still good, Houston. Coming up on 3 minutes. 2, 1. Mark it.
Mark. 3 minutes. H is good. H dot's good. H is good. H the bags agree.
Okay.
Look at the oscillation in our RCS pressures, but I'm sure it's patient.
Talking about the fuel pressures in their reaction control
Yeah,
system,
yeah,
the little
pressure
motors on the
down,
side
yeah.
of the lunar module, which they don't really need at this stage.
31.
And your go from the ground at 3.5. Everything's nominal.
Okay, Bruce. Looks good here.
Nominal really means fine, I think, in this context.
Used to be called all systems go in the old days.
It might be helpful just to say which direction they're going, taking off from the surface of the moon. As we look at it, they are in effect making a right-hand turn and going around the back.
Alright, which is good.
H dot is good. H is good. Bags are right together.
The two guidance systems, that is the
Terry Houston, your go from the ground. Looking good.
primary onboard guidance system and the abort
Okay.
guidance system, both agreeing with each other, which is always comforting. Both producing the same set of figures, which means that there's no conflict.
And Terry Houston, we show all sources, main zags and misfin in good agreement.
And MISFIN is the network of tracking stations on the Earth, which also agrees with what the computer says.
But 25 to go. Autoplane looks good.
Okay, look. Here. That's good.
Hey, you can stop your camera if you want.
Talking about taking pictures.
It's just 5 minutes from liftoff now.